Hello, this is Emeryville with ReLISTO, Leasing and Property Management here in San Francisco. I'm right here in front of 1420 Jones Street. I'm just giving you a quick scan of this street. If this is in Nob Hill, and if you're new to San Francisco, Nob Hill is one of the exclusive areas of San Francisco, which people kind of love it. That's the Bentley building right there. These are some very nice condos, and of course you have the park right at the top of the hill. But let's look at 1420. This is a beautiful building, and when you go into these units, I'm going to be sharing some of these units with you. You notice how noisy it was out here, and I want you to see how quiet it is in the units because of all those double pane windows. But anyway, let's without further ado, let's go in and look forward to showing you each of the units. All right, so today we are visiting unit number 8 at 1420. You're right next door to friendly neighbors. Got the welcome sign going on here. And so as you enter the property, you're greeted by a hallway, and then to the right, one of the 2 living spaces. So let's go in here first, and then depending on how you like to configure your living space, you can have this either as a bedroom or your living room, depending on how you like it. This is a big giant window, double pane. These are double pane, so it keeps the warmth in and the noise out. This one has the luxury of having a super big closet and these beautiful double French doors. All right, and then as we go in here, then you see that this is a big giant room as well, and this could be used as a living room. You have a place where you can put your TV right here, so you can put it on a cabinet or otherwise mount it. And you have the garden view. This is a garden apartment, so here you are looking out onto lots of greenery, which is really pleasant to look out on. Picture rails, tall ceilings, the heat, and lots of closet space. Here's a little bit more. So if you were going to use this as a bedroom, that would be your closet. Let's go in here. This is really, I really enjoyed this. This is a classic place to do your hair, put on makeup. Here's a big closet cabinet as well, and here's nice soak tub. Looks like it just was re-enameled. Just fresh looking. High owner's very water conscious, so this is a high flow, low flow toilet. Up for low and down for high flow. And then you have the sink right there. Right, turn it around so you can get a good appreciation. I can just imagine a chair right there. And then we have the hallway, the front door that we came through. This is where the telephones used to be, and you have a little cabinet space right there, very adorable. And here we are in the kitchen. So very functional space. You have your sink right here, lots of cabinets, gas range, nice big window, and then also a refrigerator. Going out this door is where your laundry, it just goes out into the fire escape area, and that's where your laundry machines are, as well as the garbage. All right, so if you're interested in this property, use the links below to contact us. We are happy to share and show you this property, answer any questions, and help you make this feel like your home. All right, thanks a lot, and we'll talk soon.